Hello everyone, this is again Chocobo Jam, and this time I'm going to unbox this Soul Hackers 2, and this is the 25th anniversary version, or a limited edition or collector's edition for this game. So Soul Hackers 2, I think it's more than 10 years that they have since the last time that they have released the very first Soul Hackers. So for those who didn't know, Soul Hackers is um one of the Shin Megami Tensei games, and I think it's been more than 10 years since the last time that they have released this game for the first Soul Hackers. Okay, so first of all, I didn't expect that the box is actually small. I thought that it was bigger than this, but yeah, let's see what's inside this box. So it says here that it includes the PlayStation 5 game for the Soul Hacker 2, and then the 25th anniversary music album, 30 songs in total, which is on 3 CDs. Soul Hackers 25th anniversary book, and a IHO or AIHO figurine, and IHO or AIHO DLC special costume Merry Maid set DLC. So again, I didn't expect that the box will be this small, but it is just a simple box. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so first, I'm not gonna lie, I'm having some hard time figuring out how to open this uh, this outer packaging, but it's just as simple as there is a flap in here, and all you need to do is to pull up this flap. So yeah, it's just as simple as that. So this is what are the contents of this package. Oh, by the way, including on this pre-order, because this is a pre-order from our local shop, so they have included also a cleaning cloth for the Soul Hackers too. So it's not for sale. The cleaning cloth is it seems it's made from a very good material. I'm not sure if I'm going to ever use this for cleaning out CDs or something like that, but it's good to have this pre-order bonus cleaning cloth. Okay, so let's go back again to the what's inside of this package. So first of all is the Soul Hackers 2 game physical CD. This is actually a the English version. Wait, it's not focusing here, but it mentioned here that this is the English version. I do believe that there is also a Japanese version of this 25th anniversary collector's edition, but they have the same contents with the Asian version. This is the so basically this collector edition is the Asian version, which includes the English version of the game, but the contents of this limited edition package will be also the same as the one, or exactly the same as the one with the Japanese collector edition. Okay, so this is the game. Just mentioned here the pre-order bonus DLC. I really love the art of this game. Again, it mentioned here English version, and I really love the art style. So the available voice is on English and Japanese, and subtitle is on English. So yep, Soul Hackers. Okay, and the next is this. This is what I'm really excited about. The Soul Hackers art book. It's just a small size, but this is a. They mentioned that this should be a 100 page, or probably at least 100 page of art. Let's see. Let's see what kind of art it's in here. Just going to just going to whoa, just the first page, just the first page of this art book. It's so it's so colorful. I really love the first page of the art book. Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Although it is in Japanese language, so yeah, I will not understand this. I was kind of hoping that they should at least translate this on English, since the game that is included here is the English version. But anyway, it is what it is. So yeah, this is the art. Let's see. Let's check them one by one. I'm going to make it faster. Oh, you can see here different kinds of persona, weapons, I think. Probably some characters. Okay, so unfortunately I don't understand what it's saying, but I really love the art. And this is what the reason when I'm so excited about this of this collector edition is the art book. So it includes also other Shin Megami Tensei games here. Like this, I recognize this. This is the game that I have played from PlayStation 2. I forgot what's the title of this particular Shin Megami Tensei, but yeah, it's one of the Shin Megami Tensei spin-off. I think it's Raido, if I remember correctly. The name is Raido or Raiden or something like that. Okay, so it's hard to open this uh okay, so this is from the very first Soul Hackers. I recognize these characters, the protagonist of the first Soul Hacker. Chapter 2, Devil Summoner. Okay, so who's this? He looks like a Digimon. He looks like a Digimon, not gonna lie. Not familiar with that, but they said this is Devil Summoner. I haven't actually played well, I do play Devil Summoner before. I believe that that game also released on PlayStation 2, if I'm not mistaken, because I do play that before, but I haven't finished that game yet. Maybe if I have a chance to play that game again, then I will try to finish that, or I'm going to try to beat that game. Okay, so this yeah, okay, so this is the Soul Hackers 2, for the Soul Hackers 2 art. Oh, Jack Frost. So the very iconic Jack Frost is here. Oh, again, I wish that I can understand all of this. They should have at least translate this into English, but I do understand if they haven't. The art is still good, so it's not bad, but just the amount of text in here is oh, these are some concept arts, I think. Concept arts, well, I love concept arts. Okay, what's this? Probably some characters. It's almost as if this is a like a guidebook. I'm not sure, but it seems that it's a guidebook or something. Oh, I love this characters, concept arts of characters. Yeah, this is what I love on art book. I don't know their name yet. I believe the main protagonist is named as Ringo, but besides her, I don't know the name of the other characters. And I am excited to play this game actually. Although I will not play this immediately because there are some other games that I'm still playing as of now. But I'm excited to play this game. Okay, once I beaten the other games that I've been playing. Oh, I think this is the last page. There's some persona. Is this a persona? Or maybe a boss? I'm not sure. Okay, so I think that's the last page of this art book. So overall, I hope the art book, I really wish that the art book is in English, but it is what it is. There's nothing we could. Oh wait. Oh, this is the guy. Oh, the code. It's almost whew, haven't shown the code at least. Almost shown the code. Okay, and this is the Soul Hackers 25th anniversary music album. I'm not going to open this because it's sealed on plastic. Probably I'm just going to keep it as it is. I have no intention of listening for on this right now, so I'll just leave it as it is, sealed. Okay, so and this is the last besides the code that I seen earlier, this is the last one that you can see on the package. This is actually a figure of AIHO or IHO. I'm not sure how is that pronounced. It's either IHO or AIHO. Okay, so this is like a Jack Frost version of the main protagonist. Maybe I should open this, or maybe not. I'll just keep this figure as it is. Just going to display it as inside the box. Okay. So this is the code for the AIHO DLC. So unlocks Demon Fusion for a brand new Demon AIHO. So it's most likely that we will be giving a chance to use this AIHO version of Jack Frost. Since this is a very special DLC, probably I'm going to use this persona up until the very end of the game. I don't care if it is weak or not, but I will try to use her. And also a special costume, Mary's Maid Set DLC. Costume for Ringo based on fan favorite Mary. Mary, I think Mary is the, if I am not mistaken, probably Mary is the protagonist of the very first Soul Hackers, if I am not mistaken. So this should be the costume of Mary. Okay. So overall, I think this collector edition or 25th anniversary edition of Soul Hackers 2 is very, I would say, very worth it for the price, because this is just about probably around 100 and probably around $140 or something like that. $140 or less than $140. So I will say that this is not bad for a collector's edition. I will say that it is worth it, especially um, on the art book, which is again, unfortunately, is not translated to English, but I think it's still worth it. And then the 3 CD soundtrack, this alone is worth it for the 25th collector's edition and this special figurine of Iho or Aiho. Not to mention that there is also an included bonus pre-order bonus cleaning cloth. Okay, so that will be it for this unboxing. It's been a while since I make an unboxing of a collector edition game, but I hope you do enjoy this video, and thank you for sticking out to the end. Bye.